In field conditions, where installation is difficult or space is limited, and it's hard to confirm if the tube is fully inserted to the fitting shoulder, you can use a tube fitting depth gauge. Choose the depth gauge that matches the outer diameter of the tube and ensure both inner and outer burrs have been properly removed before use. Insert the tube into the depth gauge. Use the side window to visually confirm that the tube reaches the proper depth. At the top of the depth gauge, use a marker to draw a circle along the interface to mark the insertion depth on the tube. Insert the marked tube into the fitting and check whether the mark aligns with the end of the nut. If the mark does not align, the insertion is insufficient. Do not proceed with installation. Double-check the insertion. The JPE depth gauge is designed specifically for tubes used with JPE fittings. Avoid mixing or interchanging JPE components with parts from other manufacturers.
Turn pressure into power.